Welcome to Hilomarket. Today, we'll show you how to predict on Hilomarket. The first option is from the main menu. You can quickly predict any market of your choice. Just pick the option, enter the amount, and adjust the slippage if needed. Click the Predict button. That's it. Your prediction is submitted. The second option is by going inside a markets page, where you can see all the details about that market. After reviewing the information, select the option and the amount you want to predict on. Then click the Predict button. That's it. If you have any questions, feel free to contact support. Thank you for watching.